It's that time of the year where we audition you to see if you can join our worship team. So if you're musical in any way or you sing, like me of course, then why don't you audition? They're happening on Sunday the 25th of February at 4 p.m. So you must sign up online or speak to Dan if you're interested in that and want a bit more information. So get signed up for the worship auditions.
There is a hope beyond hope. There is a hope beyond hope. Grace is healing me.
Did you know it takes a lot to maintain a church like this? Not that I know about that, but we have got a job opportunity opening up here at Excel Church for a caretaker to take care of our church, our land and what we have here. So we're offering 7 hours a week to someone to join our team and be a part of what God is doing right here. So if you think you can fit that, then why not head to our website and apply online for that role? We'd love to have you as part of our Excel team. We've got lots coming up this Easter weekend happening at the end of March towards the beginning of April. So listen up for what's going to be happening on the Thursday of the Easter weekend. We're going to be doing a Maundy Thursday Passover meal. So it's £10 for adults, £5 for children, and there's limited spaces of 50. So if you want to come along, you need to book online for that, sign up, get your ticket, and we'd love you to join us for that Old Testament traditional Passover meal. We'll also be doing our Good Friday service, and we'll also have a Saturday walk together as usual, and our Easter Sunday celebrations, remembering the resurrection of our Saviour. So guys, look out for those details and join us for that Easter weekend to celebrate. We have got our next Accelerate course happening from Monday the 26th of February. So if you're someone who wants to figure out where you can best serve here at church, but also just generally in God's kingdom, then why not come along for those sessions? There's 4, so it's happening over 4 weeks, starting from Monday the 26th of February. It's great to find out what your personality type is, what your giftings are, and what your passions are, so you can find where you best fit. So come along for those, sign up online, and we'd love to see you there to build you up and get us doing some more stuff for God's kingdom. So don't forget guys, this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. And it's also Next Level on Saturday morning, so join us for those sessions if you're able to. And that's all for Excel News. Have a great week.